Welcome back to the class. Today I'm continuing the lesson of lions. In last previous class we learned where the lions are living. Almost all lions are living in the jungle. In which places we can see the lions? Almost the lions found in the Africa and even India also. Even we cannot find these lions in the cold regions. In the cold places, we cannot see these lions. Do you know the male lion is very bigger than the female lion? And even a male lion has a mane. Mane means, I said no, it's a long reddish brown beard around lion's face and the neck. That is called the mane. So when the male lion have that mane, it's look like very big to compare to the female lion. But the female lion does not have the mane. Do you know? The male lion is called the lioness and the female lion is called, the male lion is called lion. The female lion is called the lioness. And the lions are always moving in the group. That group is called the pride. We know that, but there are many females, their cubs, and two males in each pride. Okay, now can we see from there the next topic? First, I'll read the textbook. Again, you also look at that, like that you can follow. See from here, lions hunt in groups. Each pride has a home area which is called its territory. The females do the hunting for the prides. The male lions do not usually hunt, but sometimes they can help if needed. But once an animal is killed, the male lions eat first. Lions hunt at night. Once they kill an animal, they feed on it for a number of days. They kill another animal only after feeding on the first one. They do not kill for fun. Baby lions are called the cubs. The cubs are born blind. Their eyes do not open until they are about a week old. They cannot see well until they are 2 weeks old. The lioness conceals the cubs in thick bushes or rocky outcrops. The cubs are introduced to the pride when they are 6 weeks old. Usually 2 to 3 cubs are born, and most of the time 1 to 2 cubs survive. Lions are often called the king of the beast. They are an icon of courage and royalty. Look at here. See, I said no, the lions always moving in the groups. Is it no? Even the lion hunt in groups also. So each pride have the home. They are living in some other places like on a playground, in the forest only, and near the caves. So they are living in that places. That place is called the territory. The female lions, do you know, the female lions do the hunting for the prides, not the male lions. Keep in mind, the lion is going for the hunting, but sometimes the male lions help to their pride. Okay, the lioness is always going for the hunting. Do you know? But once an animal is killed, the male lions eat first. Once the lion is killed, the animals, the male lion is eat first. But almost all lions hunt at night times, not in day times. Okay, kids? But once they kill any animal, once they kill any animal, they cannot kill for the fun. They cannot kill for the fun. Always they cannot kill. So if they get one animal, almost 10 to 15 days they feed to their prides. Okay. They kill another animal only after feeding the first one. So when the first one is finished, after that, when they are hungry, so on that time they are going to hunt. It's a very interesting, right? The baby lions are called cubs. The baby lions are called cubs. Look at how the animals are hunting the lioness. The lioness going to hunt the some other animal. So it's running very fast. Is it no? So do you know our national emblem also? Ashok, Saranath at Ashok. It's a four lions capital is there. Why they are kept the lions capital? The four lions faces. Why they are kept? Because of the lions power. How the power of the lions are there, see, and their courage. It have more courage, and they are always in the pride. They are always in the group. So the symbolic of that, so the lions are keeping us national emblem. So once kill the lioness, the lion eat that flesh. Again other animals all eat the cubs and all eat that. Do you know cubs? The baby lions are called the cubs. Do you know when the cubs are born, they are very blind. They don't have eyes to see. So they born like a blind. Their eyes do not open until about a week old. Until 1 week, they do not open the eyes. This is also interesting thing, no? Children, they cannot see well until they are 2 weeks old. So after 2 weeks old, however, our children in human beings, our children until 9 months they cannot, until 1 year they cannot walk. Is it no? Like way. So these baby lions also, when they are born in a blind, and after 1 week they can see. After 1 week they can see, and after 2 weeks they can see the other animals also. The lioness conceals the cubs in thick bushes or rocky outcrops. So when they giving birth to the cubs, the lioness always keeping a very hide. Conceals means the keeping hide in bushes or in the caves. Outcrop means a large mass of the rock stands above the ground. So in that places, the lioness keeping that cubs. Why? Because if the other animals are watch that, they can eat even a tiger, some other animals. So that's why it can hide that babies. So do you know one more interesting thing? The cubs are introduced to the pride. So when they are living in the pride, they're living in the group, no? So when they give birth to their babies, they do not shown to their pride. So when no, they shown after 6 weeks old, or maybe 1.5 month. After 1.5 month, it shows to the their pride. Usually, 2 to 3 cubs are born, and almost the time 1 or 2 cubs survive. So, once a lioness gave birth to the maybe a 3 or 4 like that give the birth, but in that group survive a few animals they can died, few cubs are they can died, like that only 1 or 2 cubs they can survive. Do you know, children, one more thing? So I said no, our national emblem is the lion's capital. So that lion's capital, why we kept lions, I'll show. Look at this. This is our national emblem. Do you know? Here there are 3 lions we can see, and it has 4 lions faces. So one face we cannot see it has backside, so we cannot see that. Why we kept the lions are in the national emblem means it has more courage. Courage means it's very bravery. Always it will go for the hunting with a uh, like one of the icon. It has more power, no, and always they are living in the pride. That means a group. So, and it always when they are going to the hunting, they have more confident. Yes, I can attack. I can give food for the group of the lions. So, like that, in confident, it can go for the hunting. So, these are the symbol of icon means symbol. A symbol of these courage, bravery, power, pride, confidence. So that's why lion's capital we can keep in the our national emblem. Like in the same way, even our goals also we have to reach. How? With a confidently and poetically and bravely. So we have to fight with our goals. We have to reach the goals. So that's why. And you can see this in national emblem, even horse, bull, and there is one of the chakra in middle, and there down lotus is there. So this is the symbolic of some other thing. Horse is a it's a very fastest animal, fastest, always it can run fast, and the bull is very hard worker. So when we are doing very hard work, we will get the power. Is it no? And there is a middle of a chakra is there. Even that chakra we can see in our national flag also. There are 4 lines are there. It spokes the 24 hours, and there is down one of the line is there. Satyameva Jayate. Always in our India or almost in the world. So only Satya, that means the truthness is they can win. So whatever there is any answers, so only the truthness can win. So that's why we kept as national lions capitals in our national emblem. And the kings are called the lions are called the king of the beast. Okay. So I hope you are all understand this lesson, children. The cubs are very cute, right? Okay, like you are. Okay, are you understand, children? If you understand, you can read the textbook. You can learn some words. You can practice some spellings which you don't know. Okay, bye, kids. Next class I come with the notes. Okay, bye.